Yo, 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 what's happening? What's happening? This is Lamar, Chucks, and Booze. Bringing you another episode, sipping on some Fosters. Right now, I was out with the homies yesterday in Venice Beach, California, at a real cool comedy show in somebody's backyard. Then we shot over to this joint called Larry's. And they had like this beer I never had before. It's like Sour Monkey. And the homie was like, man, you gotta try this Sour Monkey. This is sour beer, is the ish. I was like, alright, cool, I tried it. And that was the bomb. Like, I'd never had sour beer before, so now I gotta figure out where I can buy that sour beer at, or any sour beer. Like, that was a dope introduction. So sour beer is my new favorite. But Foster's, you know, that does the job when it needs to do the job and how it do the job. So anyhow, today I am working on the Continental. This is gonna be a two-part video because I'm waiting for some brake pads to come in on my girl's whip. She has a 2016 Honda Sonata. So they were supposed to be here at 12 today, but they are not in AutoZone. So I'll go back up there after I get this started on this project. So what I'm doing here is, you know, the 67 Continental, I bought it online and they build it as having a rebuilt engine and transmission. But the oil pan is leaking, and I just don't see how they can rebuild the engine without redoing the damn oil pan gasket. So now what I am checking today to see is if they really rebuilt it, right? Because if they rebuilt the engine, there's no way in hell there should be a nylon timing chain on this car. So that's what I'm going to verify today, to see if there is a nylon timing chain on this car. And if there is, I know I've been bamboozled. But if there isn't, okay, maybe. So that's what I'm going to do. I went and picked up these tools from AutoZone already, since they didn't have the brake pads. So I got the harmonic balancer puller kit, and then a harmonic balancer installation kit. So let me go ahead and get set up right now so we can get this cracking. So right off the jump, I'm assuming I should look in the manual and see where the timing chain is at, but I'm guessing it's right behind the fan and all of this good stuff. So I have to take out the radiator, the fan shroud, whatever the hell this thing is called, the new gas pump I just put in there, and then I can get down to the belt, the fan, and then remove that pulley, and then go from there. So I'm not gonna do much talking, I don't think. But if you watch my shows, I was about to curse, but I'm trying to keep it clean. I like to talk. But so let me go ahead and start knocking all this stuff out. Sip on my burp. See how far we get. All right, let's get to draining.
With me, Raymond C, your Easter weekend edition, man. No doubt, I hope you get to spend some time with family and friends. And if you are traveling, make sure you go to app right there.
Man, there is a damn spider in this joint that I cannot catch. But I clean out all these spider webs, and the next damn day, this whole damn engine is full of damn spider webs. So shit's crazy. And I did not drain. I didn't drain this radiator, only because I had no damn idea where the drain plug is at. I done looked. I don't see it. So I got a big catch basin down here. I'm gonna get to after I get this all off of here. This looks like straight water. Doesn't even look like there's coolant in this mug. Do coolant go in old cars? Hell, I would think so. This is black as hell. It's beginning to look like I was bamboozled. I think they just cleaned up the engine, called it a day. These the hoses on here are all old and brittle, so I got to replace all of those. But hell, I guess it is what it is, man. Can't trust people, but we still gonna make this a positive. So I got about, I don't know, 15 bolts to take off. Take this gas pump off, and then the rest of this stuff around. All right, let's see. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. All right, so I am back. Time for the big reveal. I got stuck on removing the power steering pump. I couldn't get it over the groove that's on the crankshaft, so I had to Google it, and I didn't know that this little Woodruff key popped out. So I just discovered that, just popped this out. I seriously did spend like 45 minutes on it. I didn't even have to disconnect the power steering pump lines, but whatever. So here is the big reveal to see if this indeed is the proper timing chain. Better not be nylon, man. I'm gonna be hot diggity damn dog. Okay. All right. So it is upgraded. It is upgraded. So at least, okay. All right. Okay. So I just don't understand why shit is leaking then. Maybe they just went in and upgraded this. I have no idea, but at least this part is done. Now I can clean this stuff up, put this back together, and not have to worry about my engine blowing up because of a bad timing chain. So, all right, I'm gonna consider this a win. I'm gonna consider this a win. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone. My lady's brake pads still haven't came in yet, so I'm gonna just go back over there and see because she needs to get to work. So I'm also going to get some gaskets, some water pump gaskets, and some grab a few hoses, and then mark this in as a win. All right, YouTube, this is Chucks and Booze. Whew, sound of relief. All right, we out.